Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. And today's video is about the coupons that I'll be using this week, mostly at the Dollar Tree. So the first one we're gonna go through is the Smart Source. This Halo coupon, I kind of like those. I gotta get them from the regular grocery store. This $5 coupon I used this past week at the Dollar Tree. They had Clairol coloring at my Dollar Tree, so I used that coupon. It was free. I used this coupon at Walmart this week. They used to have these at the Dollar Tree. I haven't seen them in a while, so if you still got those at your Dollar Tree, use that coupon. They'll be free. Aleve, no. All right, so this is the coupon for the cereal. It's $1 off 2 boxes. It always gives out about 50 cents off, so $1 off 2 boxes. The Reese Puffs is $1 off 2 boxes. The same cereal coupon, and this Chex Mix or Nature Valley Protein. All right, so those coupons work at the Dollar Tree. They're usually in a Smart Source. This Fiji water. They sell Fiji water at the Dollar Tree, but I never use it. I usually take this coupon to CVS because CVS has a better sale. It usually turn out to be free at CVS. I think the bottled water at Dollar Tree is smaller than the 50 milliliters. But check your Dollar Tree and see if you got the bigger ones. But they have these Fiji waters there. I just don't know what size they are. This Tofafay coupon, we sell Tofafay. They sell Tofafay at my Dollar Tree, so it'll be 50 cents off with that coupon. They'll be 50 cents. Nope. All right, so this is the coupon I used on that Kleenex bundle pack. This is the coupon I used right here. It got me the bundle pack for free, plus a money maker, because on Fetch Rewards they were giving back $1. So you use that coupon, get the Kleenex for free. You use your Fetch Rewards app and also get the Kleenex for free also. So free Kleenex plus a money maker with that coupon. Alright, so here's the 50 cents off any Colgate toothpaste. This is the coupon I also use. It gets the toothpaste to be 50 cents with this coupon. I don't think the ounces are for this Colgate dollar, but check. They have these kind there, but I don't think the ounces is for that right there. It excludes 1.8 ounce. That might be the ounce they sell there. 50 cents off any Palmolive, 18 ounces. They sell Palmolive. I caught this one there a couple of times. So just check and see if you get the bigger bottles of Palmolive there. Sometimes they'll be 50 cents with that coupon. My Dollar Tree sells Zest and Coast. Let me see. Oh, 6 bars. I don't think it's 6 bars. I think it's maybe 2 bars. So that coupon might not work. I don't know. We'll see. Lucky Leaf desserts on the go. I don't think we sell that. It'll be free though if you all sell that at your Dollar Tree with that coupon. I don't think we have. I never seen Lucky Leaf. Quaker Oats. No, we don't have a Quaker Oats. All right, so that's the end of that Smart Source. That's all the coupons in the Smart Source. Okay, the next one we're going to do is the Retail Me Not. Let's see what's in here. My Dollar Tree sells Glad, not Healthy. But I guess if your Dollar Tree sells Hefty, you can use it there. But no, we don't sell, they don't sell Hefty bags in my Dollar Tree. Only Glad. Suave body wash, $1 off 2. They don't sell that there. Dove Men Body Wash. They don't sell that. The Dove Men Care Soap. $2 off a 6-pack or larger. Nope. I've used this coupon before on a single bar of Dove and it worked. I haven't used it in a while though, so at your own risk, you can try to use that coupon again. I've never used it there. Body wash, they don't sell. Hand soap. Shower foam, nope. Care, nope, none of that stuff. Alright, so that's the end of the coupons that's in the Retail Me Not. Alright, the next one is the P&G. Oh, we got free samples. Retinol. Night Moisturizer. If your Dollar Tree has any Pantene products, you can use this coupon. $1 off Gold Series. I've used that coupon before. $1 off one. And then I see there's $5 off 3 Gold Series. So any of those 2 coupons will work on a Pantene. That's a new product. Herbal Essence. I've never seen it at my Dollar Tree. Nope. 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 Pampers. Mouthwash, no. Crest toothpaste, they do have some. Or is it Colgate? It might be Colgate. It might not be Crest. Oral-B battery toothbrush. No. I have never seen a kids one. They have the adult one, but not the kids ones there. $2 off Crest toothpaste. If you have that, it'll be free with that coupon. Cascade. I use this 50-cent off Cascade dishwasher detergent. It'll be 50 cents with that coupon. I always use that coupon when it comes out. Sinex, nope. These Vapor Cool Drops, 50 cents with this coupon. I use it. I don't know if it scans. I haven't used it in a while, but it'd be 50 cents with this coupon. That's new. A lot of new items in this P&G. The Swiffer, they have the 1 count. I've never used this coupon. I don't know if it scans or not. I've used this 50 cent off Mr. Clean coupon. I want to say it beeps. I can't remember, but I think it beeps. But if they have this product right here, is the one I usually get. It'll be 50 cents with that coupon. We don't get any tag, none of that. You have to go online and print the coupon. Febreze, buy one, get one free. Some more new products. Let's see what this Bounty say. 1 Bounty paper towel, 4 count or larger. No, not this. $1 off, huh? I might try it and see if it works. $1 off 4 puff single pack, so they'll be 75 cents per box. If you use this coupon, I used that coupon before. I've never seen those there. Secret, they have Secret deodorant there to be free. Well, it'll be 50 cents per deodorant with that coupon. That's new. Invisible spray, it'll be free with that coupon if you still have some more Old Spice in your Dollar Tree. $1 off 2 body washes if you all still got any more Old Spice body wash. I haven't seen it in a while, but it'll be 50 cents per body wash with that one. And $1 off the hair products if you all had that 3, I think it's like 3 items in 1 container. It'll be free with that coupon if you all still have that. No razors. This is new products. A $15 mail-in rebate if you spend buy $50 and get $15 for free. That's interesting. Buy $50 and get a $15 gift card. Get you some Pampers and then send in a gift card. Alright, so that's it for the P&G. Alrighty. The next one that I want to go through is some coupons. I printed off coupons.com. It's not that many, but it's a couple. This coupon here is reset. $2 off any garden FUTs. Remember, I used this in my last trick off Tuesday. And it gave me $2 off, and it made it free. I love when this Huggies coupon come out. So if you got a baby, like I got a little baby, a little grandson. So if you have a baby, print this $3 off coupon. I usually take it to CVS. It makes the Pampers really cheap. It's CVS. Claritin, yep. Yeah. Yep. Bior, I've seen Bior before. $1 off one. That was a while ago. I don't know if they have any more. Toilet bowl cleaner. I used that coupon before. It scans. It makes the toilet bowl cleaner 50 cents. I just used it. I didn't have a coupon for this at Walmart, so I printed it out so I could have it for this time I go back. I print another Garden FUTs. The Alka-Seltzer is a cheaper amount. It's $1 if you print it, but in the insert it's $2. $1 off any 3 Kellogg's, 8 ounce or larger, any flavors. So if they have any Kellogg's cereal there, 8 ounces or larger, $1 off 3. Here's the printable coupon for the Colgate. If you have that, it's your Dollartree. Here's the printable coupon for the hair color. The Stacy's. I've used this coupon before, the Stacy's pita chips. I like this. I like actually the pita chips. So it'll be $1.50 off 2. So that'll be a quarter a piece with that coupon. I've never seen those there. Oh, this one say 9 ounces, huh? The other one I think I said, it said 8 ounces. Yoplait yogurt, 50 cents off 5. That don't seem like a good sale. Is the end of the coupons that I printed off coupons.com. Okay, so those are the coupons that I plan on using this week, along with any coupons that I had left last week. Make sure you tune in for my trick off Tuesday on Tuesday. I'm also going to do that. I'm probably going to bring you another Ibotta haul after that. And just stay tuned for all that. Make sure you watch my video I put up yesterday about how to go and use your EBT card at Walmart to get free gift cards. Make sure you watch that video and watch all my previous videos. And I'll see you in the next video. Hecky nah, Joe. It's Beauty Passion, and I'm out.